Everyone, it's your boy Shotgun Gabe reminding you guys that if I can do it, you can do it. Today we're talking about TRXC, and dang has it been a messy day. Shout out to all you guys wearing red ribbons this month. Our prayers and warm thoughts are with you guys. And a special shout out also to you guys watching from Canada. Thank you definitely for maple syrup because I don't use that fake stuff. And to all you guys watching in Europe, I see you guys, so shout out to you guys. Like and subscribe if you don't mind. I appreciate it. Now let's get into the video. Didn't we have a catalyst today? Wasn't we're supposed to get some good news today? Well, I like what I heard today. If you guys weren't present for Investors Day, if you guys didn't stream that, haven't been looking into the news too well, and there's not a lot of it out there yet, I still love the stock. What's going on? Well, first of all, I love TRXC. I got a $6 call on them, and they've dropped a lot today, but don't worry because the whole market dropped. So if you look at the global markets, if you look at the U.S. markets as a whole, you will see a lot of stuff went down. I use this time well. I use this time to lower my position on AMC on both my profiles. So my long term that I have a lot of AMC in, I brought it down from 12 to about 11 at the share, I think. My short term portfolio, I got those shares all the way down to right around 7, and I couldn't, it wouldn't go low enough for me to bring my position down. It was staying over, so I was profiting. AMC looked green all day, as well as SPYD. So that's an ETF. If you guys haven't looked into it, check it out because that thing stayed green all day too. But the markets as a whole were down like crazy. But TRXC had its Investors Day, and what happened? Well, I'm glad to see it made sort of a rebound after the market started picking up. I have faith in this because you guys know I have a $6 call that expires on the 19th of March. But before that happens, TRXC said they're changing their ticker symbol, and the name of their company. So their new ticker is going to be ASXC, and the name of the company is going to be Asenses, ASENSES, and that's going to be happening on March 5th. So if you wake up one day and you're like, whoa, what the hell is ASXC doing in my portfolio? Well, hey, I really don't care because they're making me a lot of money, but I don't know when I picked them up. Well, it's because TRXC is changing their name, and due to the new training center they opened in Europe. Once again, Europe. Shout out to everybody watching from Europe. They opened a training center in Europe, and what they're saying is, as we work to create the future of surgery, we need to enable surgeons to take the best surgical practices and techniques from everywhere and able to be leveraged everywhere. This is what digital technology has enabled us to do, said Anthony Fernando, the President and Chief Executive Officer of Asenses. So they're already calling it that. But what they're saying is, they want to be recognized as a company that's all around useful, not just focused on one area, right? So Transix announces a name change to Asenses Surgical and introduces a new category of surgery, performance guided surgery. New name reflects commitment to pioneering a new era of performing guided surgery to help. And they're trying to change their name to reflect a company's broader vision of shaping the future of surgery by integrating computer vision and machine learning with surgical robots. We all know that they're doing a great job on what they're doing. So I think this is going to reflect in the price, and I think this is a good thing. I still got a $6 call, and I'm really positive on that. So that's what they were mainly doing today. That's what they were talking about. And I'm stoked about this, man. I made my coffee. I made it mostly chocolate. I put a little bit of coffee in there. I made what we call in California Cadillacs. So you guys in California probably know what I'm talking about. My boys here in Washington, ladies here in Washington probably don't know what I'm talking about. But it's when you mix coffee, some cocoa, hot chocolate, and throw some candy in there. Pretty good. But I'm so pumped. That was part of the candy. That I can't even talk about this and have coffee in me. Because I love this stock and I love this company, and this $6 call is going to make me money. It actually dropped today and I didn't get scared. I actually lowered my position. So TRXC has been positive this whole time for me. I haven't seen it red in a long time. So today, what did I do when it dropped? I bought more and lowered my position. I feel real comfortable about that. So while when it first took off, I sold some shares, made a quick profit, but I kept them because I believe in this company in the long term. So the short term today, I dropped some more money on them and lowered my position. And TXRC saw price dips from 541 at Monday close to 464 on Tuesday. The stop dropped as low as 354 this morning. So shout out to you guys if you guys were able to buy some at that time. And before recovering to the ahead of the Investor Day presentation to trade on to 450 and 470. So man, I might even look into buying another call option with them if they don't shoot up too much after hours and pre-market. And if you're not trading after hours, check out my Webull link. If you throw $100 in there, I think we both get free stock. So check that out. But they're saying online that the social media has been a big chatter around this stock, and it's generally boosted the stock. But I mean, look at their long-term performance after surgeries. They have better recovery rates than surgeons that are operating. And so you get a surgeon that knows what he's doing, and you get this equipment in his hands. It's a money maker. Not only is it going to make us money, but it's going to help people in the long run. So I'll cover this more. I'll get more in depth into this later. I love this stock. I know you guys love it too. And shout out to everybody that likes this stock and watches my videos on it. And there's not a lot of information, all right? It's still Investors Day, so I'm going to keep digging, keep studying. But I wanted to put this out to you guys and let you know. That way you guys didn't wake up one day and say, hey, what's going on? Where's my stock? What happened to TRXC? And why do I have ASXC? It's making me a lot of money because I feel it's going to make a lot of money. It's a long-term run. So shout out to everybody that stayed involved with this.